this is Crazy YouTuber, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fully automatic microwave in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Okay, so this is gonna be cool. Before you see this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my other videos and this one too. Okay, and one more thing is that please do comment down there that should I post the trick show video or no. Okay, so it's gonna be decided upon your votes, so please cooperate with this thing. Okay, so let's get started off. We need to create a world. I'm already create one. Okay, um yeah. Okay, so you need a power rail, chest, block of quartz or any other block, hopper, furnace, block of redstone, and a mine cart with chest. Okay, so we're gonna start off with digging down two blocks. Yeah. Okay, and then right here too, place two furnace, and then place two hoppers going right inside the furnace like this. Okay, so you need to crouch while doing this. After this, crouch again and place two chests like this. Okay, and then right here crouch and put two hoppers going inside the furnace, and then place two chests while crouching. Okay, after this, okay, before I do this, I'll tell you the above one is for your things you want to get smelted or cooked, like pork chop, and down right here you're gonna put your fuel like coal or wood, whatever. Okay, so after this you gotta dig in 3 blocks down till the bedrock if you're in a flat world, and then clear this thing right here. Okay, and then break 2 blocks right here and right here also. Okay, 4 blocks. After this, place powered rail right here and going right till here, and then a normal rail going like this right here. Then you need to place okay, before you make a staircase like thing. Okay, and then place a powered rail right here and take it up. Okay, after doing this, break this one and place normal rail, and after this just place a block of quartz right here and take this track. Okay, place power rail and then take this track, yeah, right here up. After taking this up, what you're gonna do is place one more block of quartz like this and take this up too. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let me put in the charger and plug. Okay, okay, so I plugged in the charger. Now you need to place a normal rail right there, and then before this you're gonna place 2 block of quartz right here, place chest, break this block of cards, and then make a lane like this. Okay, after this just gotta place 2 hoppers, one going inside the chest and one hopper going in the other hopper. Okay, after this just place your power rails till here. Okay, and after this place a block of cards while crouching on the hopper. Okay, so now you're done with this thing. Now it's need to power all the powered rails, so let's go down and place your redstone blocks. One right here I'm gonna place, and I'm gonna break this one and place a redstone block right there. After this I'm gonna place a redstone block right here. Okay, now right here, wait, it will be better if I place it right here. Okay, So after doing this, right here one more we need to place, put in a block, and I'm sorry, redstone block right here, and a power rail. Okay, so you're done with this thing. Now you need to put in your Mcpe chest and see if it works smoothly. Okay, this is working perfectly. And now what you need to do is cover your this. Okay, redstone work, whatever. You're gonna cover this off. Okay, and it's your wish, how to cover, like in design or whatever. It'll be better if you make this against the wall, this part against the wall. It'll be more better. I'm sorry. Okay, almost done. Okay, we are done with covering this, and now it's time for testing. So I'm gonna take pork chop right here, a pork chop. Okay, so right here, raw pork chop and a fuel. Okay, so I'm taking coal. So first I'm going to place in pork chop in this chest in the center. I'm going to put in all the 64 pork chop, and this chest and this pork chop, 64 pork chops, will be divided into 32 in each of the furnaces. Okay, so the work will be more faster. And put in the fuel right down in the down. Okay, okay, in this chest you gotta put in the fuel. 64 coals I'm putting right now. This will be divided into 32 in each of the furnaces. And now let's see if it works. Okay, so wait for some time. I need to get 2 pork chops at a time. I can't wait, I can't wait. Okay, wait one. Okay, so I can't wait. I can't see anything right here now. It's too much of time. Okay, let me go down there and check if everything is perfect. I think something's went wrong, right? Oh, sorry. I actually forgot to place 2 hoppers right here, okay? So I need to place 2 hoppers and now it'll work. Okay, so let's go up. I actually forgot to place them. And now it should work, okay guys? Let me see. 2. You can see there are 2 together, and now there should be 4. Actually, the minecart with chest can only carry 1 item at a time, so it is like odd even, like it'll be 1 and then 2, then 3 and 4. It goes on like this, but still it's more faster than normal one. Okay, you can see it's 9 already. Okay, so thank you for watching my video, guys. And as I told you guys before, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, don't forget to comment whether I should post the trick shop video or no. Okay, for now, bye, peace.